but it's still not for sale on the Lego Shop at Home website, so I'm gonna go to the Lego store and get it. Alright, so it's 5:50 and we've made it to Just Your Goods place, and now we're gonna go to the Lego store. And we have made it to Disney Springs. There's a few cars here, so hopefully we are of the first in line. But let's...
We made it to Disney Springs.
Alright, so this very nice lady came and brought us
Okay.
our tickets so we can get the Falcon. Oh, it's because it's still only 10 pieces in the world.
That's true.
Oh my god, it's not... I don't even... Like, can I eat all this? I always eat both 4 pieces, so there's no way I can eat all. Alright, so at 8 a.m. we're finally walking over to the Lego store to get in line, I guess, even though we already have our ticket, so we don't really have to get in any line, but we're just gonna wait around for another 2 hours.
Elliot and Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan? All right.
The store's never been this empty. Here they are over there. Alright, so I just got the UCS MILLENNIUM FALCON at the downtown Disney Lego store. They didn't have the wheels though, so unfortunately I have to carry it and it's really heavy. It's like 25 pounds. I'm really excited to get home and open this thing up. It was totally worth waking up at 4 a.m. for, and I would do it again.
Hey.
It's too much. Where are my wheels? Alright, so this is the MILLENNIUM FALCON. I'm going to open it right here.
Live unboxing.
This is your first peek at it.
Wow,
That box is
feels
huge.
awesome.
Give it that nice slide. Looks like the back seat.
Okay, that's fine. I'll take it.
Buckle up. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
It's not gonna fit around there.
The box might be too fat.
Nope.
Well, this is good enough for the gang. Thanks for watching.